Many people associate boosters with the wall at West Campus. The vision for the Images of Excellence mural is to use athletics as a backdrop to highlight the virtues, values, and qualities we seek to instill in our student athletes. We honor Lake Forest High School students who have consistently displayed these attributes during their careers at Lake Forest High School.
The images consist of several athletes who are winners and finalists of the Boosters Outstanding Senior Athlete Award, as well as those selected by Lake Forest High School teachers and administrators who were recognized on Honors Night, including our Student Council President and the Senior Class President. Our generous corporate partner, North Shore University Health Systems, funds the installation and maintenance of the images. Every fall, the mural is refreshed and revealed at the first home football game.
Being a part of that community experience is very special. Becoming an active member of Boosters was an easy choice for me, as my own kids are especially passionate about sports. The experiences they had while representing the Scouts have really helped to shape who they are. Maybe you feel the same way. If so, there are lots of ways to help support Boosters. The easiest way is to join our nearly 400 members by donating at any level. Membership donations are accepted year-round. Parents can also volunteer to work at our Spirit Store or at concession stands at West and East campuses. The vast majority of the funds we raise on an annual basis are allocated towards 5 essential grants. Athletic equipment grants are awarded based on requests from coaches. Some athletic equipment grants awarded over the past few years include Player Tech heart rate monitors used by both girls and boys soccer and boys and girls lacrosse, as well as field hockey. Renovated weight rooms at both East and West campuses, movable whiteboards for the team room at West, Huddle technology access, which allows a large number of our athletes to review their practice and game film within a 24-hour period also. All 31 Lake Forest High School sports teams have submitted and received athletic equipment grants over the past few years. Just last year, Boosters approved over $60,000 toward the funding of these grants. Coaches' grants are also available to those who request to attend seminars and engage in other professional development opportunities. Finally, athletic participation grants ensure all those who want to participate in a Lake Forest High School sport can. Athletic fees are waived for those who qualify through the school's review process. These grants are distributed anonymously to an estimated 30 athletes per year. We are especially proud of these grants and the equity they provide.